All right, so got some new stuff going on. So what I did is I took this all from support documentation, created my scripts, my CTAs, everything, dropped those into here. And now I have to get started on recording um, all these. So there's a lot going on with consent mode. And as you know, previous videos, I'm still digging into my build out. So we'll kind of start there. Looks like this. And I keep running into this one issue. I'll just show you. All right. So this is here. Nothing is chosen just yet. But when I go here, I see a consent update, which is really annoying. I've got it doing all kinds of things right now, actually. It shouldn't actually be overriding this analytic storage. That's my biggest concern. I don't really care about some of this other stuff, but that's what's happening. And since it's happening, it's kind of screwing me up because there's no update. I literally didn't click anything on this page. So it has something to do with the way that the code is formatted on my page. So if I go to web flow, you can see all this. There's data layer script for GTag function, and then there's consent granted script. And I have no clue how to use either one of these. Actually, let's use ChatGPT to kind of figure this out. So if I grab this, actually, I'm going to take it to Claude. Claude is here. I don't know what you guys see whenever I switch over like that, but well. So I'm going to keep that there. TikTok video scripts. I can call this the content matrix. That's fine. It's not really, but you tell me about this code snippet. It looks like I only got um, three more pushes here. All right, this is awesome. I wish it wouldn't scroll. Okay, there we go. This defines a function named gtag that acts as a wrapper for pushing data into the data layer array. When it's called, it takes the provided argument and pushes them in. Default is consent indicates the cause related to setting consent preferences. Default. Uh, the third is key value pair, different consent settings. Okay, that's cool. Create an event called. It shouldn't create the event called not consent update. It's right here. It's not that one. Here we go. Yeah, cookie consent update. Because there's no trigger here. So it is a data layer push event. So I got to figure out how to nullify. Can I do anything to this code to nullify a data layer push event called I'm having an issue where the this event is changing my consent settings. Another code to consider is as follows. And then I can just drop, since I've only got two more messages I can send up, I'm gonna just try to pack them all in here. Um, Kind of looks like that. Then we'll push all the way down to here and just kind of, let's give it the whole thing and try to see what happens here. Additional codes that fire after the aforementioned are as follows. Let's see if this does it. Hopefully I didn't. There we go. It's not equal. If statement that checks if the event is not equal to this is true, meaning the event is not a cookie and the GTAG function will be executed to update the consent settings. Otherwise, the event is the GTAG function will be skipped. Okay, let's just try it. That's where I messed up right there. Is I suspected as much, but I wasn't sure, man. I'm not deep in the code or anything yet, but definitely want to get there because it's interesting. And then we got this joint pretty much telling me to get rid of this. Oof, if this works, I'm about to be, oh my gosh. That's going to be insane. If this works, it's going to be absolutely insane. And it might, this is really the part of the job that I enjoy the most, is trying to figure out why shit is broken or not working exactly as you wanted to. Oh boy, what's all this? Ay, ay, ay. Let's not do this. Okay, we're not doing this. Sometimes I need an opening script right here. What are y'all doing, bro? Niggas making me mad and shit. the code's not gonna work, then shit, dude. Come on, we're playing games. And if this isn't it, then I'll be back. Okay, so here's this. Let's check. I did have the update again. This update looks like this. It happened again. We denied all those. Nothing switched. Okay, so let's see. Something tells me that I'm close. What if I just want the defaults here? I'm gonna play it this way and just go, um, yeah, let's leave this and then we'll go analytics cookie will change to granted. For now, I just need this to look up, granted, look up. That's fine. Yeah, and I'll fix the other one. I wish there was a way to test this without having to publish live. I'm sure there's got to be like a decent staging environment or something, but whatever. All right. This one. Hmm. GTAG consent update. Denied. Granted, denied. Analytics and functionality storage should not be turned off. There's no reason for that to happen. Okay, I got another idea. So if I do this, and then let's test it. This is the fun part. I'm doing this so that other people don't have to. But once it's done, it's done. And I can turn off that consent cookie thing. Um, so it wants to, yeah, I see what I was trying to do there, but I don't think it's gonna work out the way I wanted to. All right, let's preview this. worked. Okay, let me turn this back on and see if that might have been it, but I don't think so. We're about to find out. Why is this? Let me refresh this. This looks so ugly. Okay, cool. Just making sure. I think we just did it, guys. I think it just worked out. Okay, it didn't want to work here. Um, and that could be because I'm allowing the tag to fire. Let's see where the tag's firing. Looking for my GA4 configuration tag. Okay, so that tag is pushing a data layer event. When enabled, Google tags fire before your users provide consent. I don't need that to happen. Right now, the way I've got GA4 configured is we need that consent update from analytics, which makes a lot of sense. That's what I want. I wonder if I can set it differently and get a different result. Because technically, I want to be able to pull analytics even on default configuration. Okay, now it's not wanting to work. It did work that one time though. Strange. You guys saw it work that one time. What's going on? It's something. So when I turn off the GCM thing, so if I want to use GCM, then I got to deal with that update. So really, I got to figure out a way to manage that update so it doesn't screw everything up for me. Because this is going to push from the G tag. Consent update. Yeah, there's the one. So what we learned here is to prevent the cookie consent update event from modifying your consent settings, you can add a condition to check for that specific event and skip the execution of the consent update function. Here's how you modify the code. Setting suggested script should wait for an update before executing. I've used in scenarios where consent preferences may be updated dynamically. We should wait for those updates before proceeding. I got to see how to use this wait for update. That would be useful just to kind of have a handle on that. I don't know on this one, man. Script. Okay, I got two closing bodies here, which I don't need. Yeah, okay. Let me ask another question. Let's play it this way. let's try this one. It's gonna be the last one because I ran out of tokens here. So let's play it this way. Put it at the very, very top here. And I have no clue if this shit's gonna work or not. But, you know, wish me luck, as they say. Let's see. It makes sense in theory. I just don't, I mean, I don't code, so I'm not 100% sure how much I should trust it. But this is my website. I'd rather, you know, break something on my own website than on a client site right now. Um, Especially since I'm not running ads. Oh, let's do it. Fingers crossed, huh? I do think this boils down to modifying the code. I don't think there's a whole lot else to consider here. It's gonna be the cookie and then set. Hmm. So would it be if user equal true? Is that how that works? Bro, I don't know. It's gonna be my good try for the day. I know that much. Yeah, it's kind of wild that it says consent updated for no reason. That all looks good. That all looks good. That all looks good. That all looks good. And then there's another consent update thing going on here. Uh, got an idea. play it like this. It's so messy, y'all. It's so messy. And it says change consent settings. What the hell? Hmm. Okay, one more. See if they're gonna let me. All right, let's try this one. If this one doesn't work, then I feel at least I'm very close. Let me read everything real quick, see if I can make sense of it. But the default needs to happen regardless, actually. Let's see. Let's see if that's what it picked up. We'll see. Let's find out. What a mess. This ain't it. Dude, I didn't even click on anything. Yeah, this is rough. Let's see. They're not gonna let me Yeah. Um so as far as being afraid that AI is gonna take your job, not yet, buddy. I'm actually move that as well. Let's just do this part first. This push, I'm not even seeing that shit anyways, man. This is in the head code. Boy, messy, messy. But I think I'll get it in a second here. I think that I'm at least all right. This one looks a little bit better. Top over. Pretty, 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 pretty. Broken. See if I can show this as a result. Was it DOM loaded? It's happening right after the window loaded or GTM load. Maybe I can call that out. Yep. Should address the issue. Should, but might not. Does it matter where I place this code, head or foot? Well, shit, that might be the issue is I'm placing it in the wrong place. Let's see. That could easily be it. One moment. Yeah, gotta make some changes, brother. All right, let's see. All right, bet. Let's try it. That's the thing about this type of work that I love is I just keep going and going. It's been a pretty long video again. Okay, no ugly, weird text going on here. And then I have a consent update. Still fine. So yeah, something's going on here. Hmm. What are these? What are these? Yeah, it's the same. This is how you would build your own template. I'm in the deep, baby. Here we go. Let's just have this open. What is this? Can you integrate? All right. Let's see how much further I get. Or if I'm fucking chasing my tail here. It's pretty annoying. Sorry for cursing. Dang, I forget. I'm on this thing. This one. Just raw dogging code from the LLM directly into my shit here. I don't know if that's the best idea in the world, but I feel like I'm going to learn something if I keep going. Oh, I just don't want this update. Let me ask a better question. I do have a cookie, and it's called uh it's here. Oh, cookie eyes consent. My first party cookie. It's not called that though here. It's going to be called, let me see here. Hate for the faint of heart. Cookie eyes consent. I'll just type it in. That should be fine. Let's try it. All right. Ask the right things to get the right answers, man. That's just life, though. All right. I'm going to leave with this one. This is a good little session. This is a good representation of what it really looks like behind the scenes, wrestling with this stuff. And I got another consent update. Super frustrating. Nobody, absolutely no one. I don't know why that's doing that. It's mad annoying. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I don't know, guys. I'm going to keep playing with it, and we'll get it going soon enough. Something weird going on here. I want to create one. I don't want to create a template, bro. It's not what I'm trying to sign up for. That's why they were trying to encourage me to use this freaking what's the name template, Simo Ahava. Wonder what I can use to trigger here. Can I have a first party cookie that stores the G tag? Wait a minute, let me think. G tag here. Engagement start. Hmm. 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 Yeah, so I like projects like this because I'm just gonna end up absorbing a lot more than I even want to. So it's not that event that's getting me, it's this G tag event. And I've got to be able to consent update G tag. I've got to be able to handle that. Where can I can go update. Let's go consent. Let's see these two. Is there a way to block all G tag events? I think this might be it. Cool. Let's block a tag event called consent updated for now. Maybe. This is my last one, I promise. Okay, here we go. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this ain't it, but this I got started and I have an idea of how to default my there it goes. Okay, there's a script button. I know it went crazy. All right, so there's a lot. Let's try this. At least have a fucking chance to get it. This bootleg ass. Ready, shoot, aim, approach. But hey, that's where I'm at right now. I'm actually enjoying it. I'm glad that I can try this out. Ugh, yeah, doesn't look like it. Looks like we're done. I'm not doing a trigger right now. I don't want to do any of this right now. Discard all those changes. Yeah, there's an update. It's the same update. And there's no like waiting period at all. So there's supposed to be a waiting period right here in milliseconds, but I could put crazy amount like that, and it's still. I just don't. I think something's broken here. Because number one, there shouldn't be that. It should at least be a delay, but we're not seeing a delay at all. We're seeing as soon as I land there, the cookie, it's being fired. So yeah, I don't know. And I don't want to turn off consent mode because it feels like not the right thing to do. And then we killed it again. All right, well, back to the drawing board. Until next time, thank you. Peace.